Well, it don't come with a master plan, a grand design for how to make it pan out the way you want it to. Well, son, that's left up to you. It's a race of undetermined length that'll test your mind and test your strength. Leave you feeling all alone, but always find a way to bring you home. Well, be careful not to waste it while planning how to make it, 'cause it only comes once and it don't last long. Always remember, it ain't something you can put on hold. Don't let it pass you by. Don't you be thinking you got it beat. It'll take the ground from under your feet. Just when you think you're doing alright, you find yourself on the floor. But like an open door, it presents opportunities that weren't there before. The question is, are you gonna take them and get up out that dirt? Well, be careful not to waste it while planning how to make it, 'cause it only comes once